I'm on a video?
Yeah.
I'm on camera.
Don't worry if you mess up, because I'm gonna edit it.
Right now, I have a pre-cooked roasting chicken that I can see. And then I'm going to make it a gravy for the chicken, because it's a baked chicken. It's a pre-cooked from the store. So I want to make it like a home cook. When we're cooking uncooked chicken, we need to wash it up, soak it out with salt and vinegar, or lime, or lemon juice, or anything like this. So and then after that, you wash it up and you marinated your chicken in advance, like a 2-3 hours in advance before the time cook. But this one is already cooked. It's already cooked. So I'm just gonna do a gravy with it to eat with some black and rice. See guys, normally I use the tomato paste because that's my flavor one. I love tomato paste. But by instant, if you don't have the tomato paste, any sauce, a tomato sauce, a spaghetti sauce, you can make a gravy for the chicken, for the beef, any meat, any kind of meat you want to make. So this is a very good one. It's a traditional one. It's like a it's an Italian sauce, the Prego. Everybody knows Prego is very good for food, but that's why I'm using Prego. I don't have the tomato paste. It doesn't matter. Tomato paste and the Prego is the same thing, tomato. And I use this for flavor. This is the Goya season. That's a Goya season like you see. I'm gonna put it there, 1 pack of it. The blended spice, we have a scallion, onions, and garlic. So just a little bit. Kind of meat, chicken, fish, shrimp, any kind of meat. So we have to prepare. We will buy scallion. The scallion and Creole is a powo. Garlic, we will make it light. Et puis nous mettons les oignons, onions in English. After that, we blend all together. You can do it with olive oil, real olive, or glow, or water. You can blend in everything. So when you do that, you're gonna have it for a long time. You can put the season on it too, or the cube, the Maggi. So to do it, so we're gonna keep it in the fridge, not outside. Even you blend it with oil or water. We just keep it in the fridge. When you use it, you use a clean spoon to put on it. Otherwise, you're gonna have a mold. You're gonna be moldy if you do daily spoon. Cuillère propre. Nous pas prendre épices nous. Dans bocal là, dans un jar, toujours keep it dans glass jar. Épices sont supposed to be dans glass jar. Et puis vous prenez avec cuillère qui propre. So use cuillère sale là-dedans, la fait limon. The lemon is that's a mold. The mold in the green stuff, you have to throw it away. Okay, and then for right now, we're gonna make a short video with that chicken, and I'm gonna start preparing my pan. I'm gonna let it in the oven. I'm gonna start it on a low fire. All right, this is my my fry pan, a small pan, any big pan, but I'm not cooking a big food, so the fry pan is enough for that. And put it there. We're using any oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, any good oil you like. So, but right now we're using the vegetable oil. Okay, so I'm putting like about 2 spoons. I don't need a lot of gravy. I don't need a lot of oil. I put like a 2 spoons of oil in the pan. Put 1 spoon of Prego. Like I told you, the Prego is tomato, same thing. To give you like a brown sauce, a curry sauce. So I'm gonna let it fry in just a little bit, getting brown. When it start frying, get a little brown, I'm gonna put the chickens on it. Make the chicken roasted up, a little bit roasted up, and after that I put the gravy. All right. Okay. So it's clean. It's a clean spoon. Anything you're using from the jar you made, you have to use a clean spoon. I put 1 big tablespoon. Leave it there. I don't need much because it's not a lot. Alright, I'm gonna use half a pack of the Goya season. Like I told you, this is not a big meal. This is like for 2 people. So you don't want it too much. Okay, so normally I don't eat the chicken skin myself. I always take the skin out. But some people love their skin, but I don't cut their skin yet. Leave your handle inside the oven, right at the stove, inside, in case you're traveling, and then your hand can hit the handle, and then you're gonna get burned, everything gonna turn. Okay? Comme boulet. Boulet. But we don't. Pas besoin de ça arriver. Vous pouvez me faire vidéo en créole ou bien en anglais.
Mix it however you want. Yeah.
Parce que mon créole là n'est collé. Okay, I'm taking off the skin. I hate to see skin in my chicken. And the sauce. Some people love it, but I can't eat them. Like I told you, if it was fresh chicken, that's another process from the fresh chicken. So this chicken is already cooked, it's ready. So I'm just doing it like this. But the other one, the fresh one, you wash your chicken, put it soak for 1 or 2 hours, and then after that you just marinate it with your fresh season. Then you put the chicken to the fire, and cover it up, let it sweat on its own. You're gonna give the juice. As soon as the juice start draining, it's dried up, you keep it loosen it from the pot. You loosen it little by little. Every time you hear it is frying, quand vous tendez la frite, toute l'eau a fini là-dedans, on va faire des ouzelles de temps en temps. On tire l'eau là, on va ouzeler. Et puis après ça, toute couleur marron, sauce a bon belle couleur. Vous comprenez? Mais ça c'est pas chicken, c'est pas fresh chicken. Chicken ça déjà prepared. It's already cooked. Just nous besoin de gravy. I want my sauce coming out brown. Là que nous besoin de marron. Quand on tire un viande bœuf. Nous frites pas de tomate là, tomate au prégoran. Faire un petit jambon brown pour nous mettre chicken dans la donner. Ouais, et c'est cachoyo, ouais, chicken là. Il commence à prendre un petit couler à la donne. Ok, on a quitté le brown la donne. Et puis de temps en temps, on fait petit ouzeli. On fait petit ouzeli puis jusqu'à ce que le gravy a monté. Ok? And that's it. For this one, it's not gonna take time because you know it's already done. It's already cooked. So it's just gravy. So, je vais mettre un durico là pour noir pour yo là. Et pas de gravy. Yo même yo te gen chicken yo. Yo va le mettre gravy là-dedans. OK? Parce que je vais mettre du sans gravy tout tourner. Then quand yo même yo te gen chicken là, yo dit mon faire sauce pour yo, ma faire sauce. This is actually roussi, okay? That's called it roussi, rousé, roussin it. You hear that? Woo! You can see. Clip, can you see the color brought it up?
Yep, it's on
See
pink.
that start brown? See that?
It went from red to brown.
See? It start cutting brown. So when they sesh again, cool sesh, cool dry. Mabani fancy lola danako, and the color is coming up to the chicken. And then after that, I'm just shake it up. And then after that, the bread is done for that. See the brown on the bottom of here? More I'm moussing it, I'm gonna get the brownish out, okay? The mousse with the plain water. Okay, plain water. You don't need nothing else. Plain water. You wipe all around. You don't really mess. What I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. What I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. And then it's almost there. See that? Est-ce que nous voulons just faire une sauce, non? Des fois, nous allons acheter chicken fresh. Alors, Walmart là, nous allons dans shop right, we buy a nice chicken. So, vous venez, vous faites une sauce, vous coupez le chicken, vous mettez là-dedans depuis, vous cuisez et puis easy. Like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, everybody eat. Right? But nous connaissons chicken acheté dans qui coupe pas de season ça nous mettez là. C'est là vient la caillou. Vous mettez season là-dedans. Vous mettez baltes, okay? But because you maybe you marinate it, you just wash them and put some kind of Italian season and then bake it. So vous même là venez, vous voulez manger spicy, piqué, un petit goût piment frais, vous just mettez et puis that's it. On est là. Je vais quitter le film bon là, je vais vider des petites l'eau à la donne tout petit. Parce que ce qui nous a dit que nous ne pas trop cuit. Nous allons couper les oignons, nous mettons sous lit et puis nous couvrir et puis that's it. Okay? So that's when it's done. See that? I'm just gonna do like this. See? It's a cup of 1 cup of water for that little sauce. See? I'm showing to you. And that's it, and then we're gonna put it on very low fire. We don't need much fire. Red cayenne pepper, that's good, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna take just a little spoon, I don't want it too spicy because they don't eat that spice very much. Bon, cayenne pepper, nous connaissons déjà nous-mêmes qui c'est piment bel, piment piqué. Hein? Et puis, vous mettez red pepper, sweet pepper avec. Okay? But it's good. It tastes good too. Okay, nous-mêmes, nous faisons pas, nous parlons tout cuit. Trop cuit dans manger nous. Nous remettons un petit genre crunchy. Un petit genre entre deux, between cuit et pas cuit. So, quand on a la je mettre les oignons et puis je ma couvrir et puis steam les oignons. Okay, you take the skin off. I don't know if they want a lot of onions or less, but me, I love a lot of onions. But I'm not gonna put all of this, so just a little onions. Because only the 2 of them gonna eat it, it's fine. See? That's it. And the rest of it. Like over baby. If you want to taste it now, see, the color makes me cooler. The sauce. On boit the sauce. Okay, you can goûter the sauce là.
It's gonna burn my hand.
Yep, you have to burn. That's it. Then we cover the sauce now. That's it. We done. That's it for la vidéo Juliette, bonheur. Mettez aujourd'hui un petit simple. So à la prochaine, on va venir plus de bagages toujours. Et on va plus de détails.
Yeah, show them how to make.
Et je vais montrer nous comment. Si c'est jour, on a fait épices seulement. Je vais faire épices là, on va montrer nous une short vidéo, mais pas long. On va montrer comment pour faire épices. Qu'on va besoin d'acheter pagnol, épices pagnol yo. On va besoin d'acheter paquet season dans can yo parce que ça yo même il est organique, real. OK? So nous mettez là, nous besoin de faire comme ça manger.